Okay, what's up? Happy New Week, guys. It's Monday, and we are about to trade the New York session. If if it gives us possible setup. Okay, so I've already marked my levels. Damn, my nose is so fucking itchy, man. Anyway, ayun nga. We're like 10 minutes before market opens. Okay, so what's our outlook for today? Um, okay, so we have bearish market structure sa 4 hour. Kasi we made the break of structure here. And I'm also seeing a little like uh it's not it's not too much pero it looks like this looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Oh, shit. Yan. Or actually ito ba yun? But anyway, yeah. I'm seeing like a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern, which I love the trade, by the way. The head and shoulder pattern is by far the pattern that has the highest win rate within my data. Okay, so we have bearish market structure in the 4 hour, bearish market structure as well in the 1 hour. So we are clearly looking for shorts. So ano ba yung mga minark out kong levels? We have price. Actually, I should have not marked this out, pero it's good to note that price swept this low, this low, and this low as well. So it swept out 3 lows within this move. So I am open to the possibility that price might reverse from here, especially if we look at the 4 hour time frame. We are currently at a 4 hour fair value gap. So it would make sense if price just wants to like react from here. So yeah, but ideally I would want the market to show me a good short setup because the overall market structure is better. So typically you would want to go with the market structure. So we'd want to look for shorts. Um, so, ano tong iba kong minark out na levels? We have 5-minute highs right here. Okay, so generally, uh, ang main idea ko for going into this day is, ang pinaka hinahanap ko ngayon is we have all these highs, 5-minute highs, all the way up here. Now, I would want New York session when New York so when New York so when New York session opens, I want it to take out these highs right here. Right. These are highs. And then proceed downwards. I want uh the New York session to manipulate these highs because again, we want a low time frame. We're always waiting for a lower time frame manipulation before we can decide to enter a trade. So, I would want New York session to take out these highs, ideally at least these two highs. If it wants to take out like both of these highs as well, it could be like further. into the New York session, but ideally I'd want it to just take out these two highs and then reverse from there. Kasi baka mawalan ako ng oras kung gusto pa niyang i-take out itong high, pinaka-high na to. I might be asleep by then. By the way, I'm cooking rice right now. And I'm also defrosting my chicken breast. So, yeah. Today's a no news Monday. Typically I do not trade on Mondays because there's not enough data, or there's not enough information for us to deduct kung saan gustong pumunta ng market going into the week. Pero yeah, we can still trading on Mondays is still doable. Sometimes I just don't want to like over trade myself into the week. Pero since because there's gonna be news on Thursday on Euro, and that's London session, and I normally trade London session, so I might not trade on Thursday. So again, to make up for that, I'm just gonna trade on Monday or today. I'm just gonna trade today. So, ayun. So we have at least 3 minutes before session opens. Hindi ko pa pala naasikaso yung ano. Kasi again, I'm supposed to switch brokers because I've been ranting about for the past like for the past three three videos, I think. I was ranting about the commission fees on my current broker. So yeah, I still haven't like hindi ko pa naayos yung account ko doon sa isang broker na nakita ko na okay naman daw. Let's see, let's see. Somebody called me Toji. Some are you for real? I do not want to be Toji though. Like I like the guy, but I want more of Gojo's physique more than Toji. Like I do not want to be like too much of a buff guy. I just want like a lean body with muscle definition. Okay. Okay, rice is cooked. So I'm just waiting for my chicken breast to get defrosted. And at the same time, we are also at market open right now. We're already seeing like a manipulation towards this high. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take out this high as well. And then from there, we will try and find a break of structure wherever it wants to break structure. And then from there, let's already try and find our targets. Like we have full of lows here. Yeah, there's many lows there. Pero, man, right now I want to see price push up towards this high as well before it creates any like bearish momentum. it 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 the 1 minute already broke structure. 1 minute already broke structure. Inverse this fair value gap. But I am not going to trade that. I want to see more confirmation. I want to see like this high being taken out as well. Because this is a well, I guess this is mitigated. Because this is a big like fair value gap right here. But I guess from here na mitigate na siya. Mm-hmm. New York session opens. See downward move. Inverse the fair value gap. But since 1 minute lang naman yan, I would not like I do not want to hold on to that. Pero like it's good that we're already seeing bearish momentum from here. This can either tell us two things. If price like sweeps out this low or potentially even this low, like price might want to reverse because New York session might manipulate these lows and then continue upwards because again we are at a 4-hour fair value gap, so again it would make sense if price wants to like react from here. On the 5 minute it already breaks structure, honestly. From here already broke structure here. In the 15 minute, if we want to see like bullish confirmation, it needs to inverse this 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, so that gives us another confluence that if price reaches this high, like if price manipulates this high, this is also an M15 fair value gap. So price could more than likely uh, react from here to potentially go down. So once price reaches this area, I will find a break of structure in the 1 minute, and then once I see a break of structure in the 1 minute, I'm gonna enter short. And then target these lows right here. Guys, I want to watch the new Oh, I want to watch the new Demon Slayer movie. Mm-hmm. So far, price action is showing us that there is still sellers are still in the market. So that gives me more like confidence to look for shorts instead of longs. I I often don't trade reversals. I mean, yeah, like high time frame reversals. I often don't do that. Or it's because typically pag ginagawa ko yun, natatalo ko eh. Maybe it's just not my like my system is just not meant for that. Maybe. I'm more of a trend follower type of trader. I am hungry, bro. Like, gusto ko na magluto. Kasi hindi pa like defrosted itong chicken breast ko. Rice is already cooked. Mamaya makakita na naman kayo ng cooking session and trading session at the same time. Simultaneously. Laki naman price pool na ito. 50k for Tekken. Daraga. Albay? Layo! Ang layo, bro. How come? Mas mataas pa yung price pool kesa dito sa NCR. Suddenly, I want to go to Albay. Okay. I think okay na yung chicken ko. Antayin ko na lang. Antayin ko na lang na makapasok ako ng trade before ako magluto or mag kung ano-ano dito. Kasi baka mamaya may ginagawa ako dito tapos hindi ako naka-enter. Sayang naman, di ba? So, currently, price manipulated this high. Hmm. No break of structure yet. So, we're still bound for that. For this high to get taken out. So, it would be a shame if like price just decided to take off from here from this manipulation alone. That would be a shame, bro. I would really want price to like head towards this M15 fair value gap. Please make that happen, bro. Love is a losing game, so I just might be home. Guys, I think I need to buy an iPad. Kasi, like, ang hirap mag-trade sa school eh. Kasi, there will be times na maaabutan ako ng trade ko sa class. And ang hirap niya kasi i-manage kung sa phone lang. At the same time, ayoko naman dalhin yung laptop ko eh. Like, bigat ng laptop ko, plus I have to unplug a lot of shit. So, I'm thinking of buying one, but I'm not sure yet. I think I have like maybe I can buy something better kesa sa iPad. I'm not sure yet. I'm not really sure yet. But ayun nga, it's a bit hard for me to manage my positions kapag nasa class ako. Kasi ang lit ng chart eh. Ang lit ng chart, so like yung typically makikita mo like sa ganitong screen, minsan hindi mo siya makikita when it's on the phone. Saka ang bagal. Ang bagal ng ano, ng response time ng charts kapag sa phone. So, are we like forming like is this gonna be a triangle? Ideally, we would want to break above para ma-reach niya itong area na to. Kasi if it breaks down below, then that would give us like confluence na that would give us confluence na market is ready to like just reverse from here, or like it's ready to dump from here, which I do not want yet. Okay, took out that liquidity. Okay, so it's range bound. This is useless. Why did I even draw this? So, currently range bound. Bang. Mm-hmm. Don't like those wicks either. Remember I think that was last video or nung nakaraang, nung the other video before that, I was talking about wicks. So, like, if we see wicks like this again, that's an indication that price does not want to go higher than the current, like, the area of those wicks. And currently we're seeing two 5-minute wicks right now. Like, look what happened here. We saw like wicks to the upside and then price continue to go down. That's because that's generally an indication that No matter how much the sellers or so, no matter how much the buyers try to push price to the upside, sellers just won't let them, and we end up making those wicks in the chart, and vice versa as well. But I'm pretty confident. Like I'm pretty confident na we will eventually reach this high. Kasi like right now, price is holding in this level, so that's a good indication for us. Like price does not want to go down there yet. It wants to take up more liquidity to the upside before continuing the overall trend, the higher time frame trend. And I do not like that wick in the 1 hour. But still, you know, let's see. That's a big wick on the 1 hour. This is also equilibrium. Pero hindi kasi na-break yung structure dito eh. Like, there was no break of structure. Oh, right. There was no break of structure. So, that's invalid. So, 1 hour lang naman nagkaroon ng break of structure. Now it's like, it's bearish again. Okay. We're good for shorts. We just need to wait for that liquidity sweep. Guys, we have Frankenstein rabbits and zombie squirrels. What is happening to the world, bro? Guys, I am fucking hungry. I really want to eat now, guys. Please, like, just sweep that high already, bro. Just sweep that high already. Sweep that high already, bro. I'm hungry. Bro, stop ranging, man. Stop ranging. Stop ranging. Stop ranging and just take out that high. Because I am fucking hungry, bro. I want to eat. Nice. So this is a fucking trend line liquidity. Oh my god. Why do liquidity sweeps have to happen so late? Bro, what is this candle? Do you think I should? Hmm. Okay, it swept out that trend line liquidity. Pero, damn. As long as this 5 minute candle does not close like full bearish mode, we're still good. Hmm. 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 Hindi nga pala abot ng camera ko. Okay, we are close, guys. We are finally close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Swept out that high. It would be a shame kung dumiretso siya sa baba, di ba? Hopefully not. It's been a series of ups and downs currently. Oh, man, I love my gym friends. Like I said, guys, trading is 90% waiting. And I mean it literally. Like, I've been sitting here for 52 minutes. And ngayon pa lang may hit yung area of interest natin. And we still have to wait for that break of structure confluence before tayo mag jump into the trade. Let me just Cause I can't take it anymore, guys. I need to cook right now. Kasi matagal pa tong lutuin. Ah! Let's see how many grams ang ating chicken breast for today. Okay, so you're seeing this? Like, oh shit. That's like, how many grams of protein is this? 200 grams. Well, that's less than 250, but I'll take it. Like, saktong 200 grams siya. Back to the freezer you go, bro! Meron pa akong ground beef dito, which lulutuin ko sa mga susunod na araw. Na makikita nyo rin sa mga susunod na trading session natin siguro. But anyway, wait lang. Bro, please don't reverse yet, man. You haven't like... Sobrang lapit mo na nasa area of interest ko. Why do you have to do this to me? Why do you have to make me suffer like this, bro? Ranging pa lang naman. So, oh, wait, I need to take a picture of this. Whoa. Okay. Broke structure. Pero... Not yet, bro. Not yet. Like, kung if it like... Okay. If price like continues... If price... Kung... Okay. Never mind. Pero... If somehow, for whatever reason, price like nagtuloy-tuloy na pababa from here, I guess I just won't be able to take a trade. Simple as that. Guys, anong hinahalo nyo sa ano nyo? Like, anong hinahalo nyo? If you guys cook like any sort of chicken, like, ano hinahalo nyo? Like, paano nyo sinisison and stuff? I don't have a knife, bro. I forgot. Wala nga pala akong knife. So, how am I gonna cock? Pause. How am I gonna cut that breast, bro? Uh, I have a lot of like chicken breast ideas. Because I don't have the ingredients just yet. How am I gonna cut you, bro? Don't have a knife. Guys, I need a knife. Why? Bakit hindi ko naisip yun? Why did I not think of that? And please, for the love of God, can you just... Thank you. Thank you. Why did I not think of getting a knife? I am so stupid for that. Uy, lapit na. Wait lang. Sana mo sinasabi ko eh. Ginagawa ako dito tapos na yung kamagaan dyan. Ah. Oh, wait. I have my scissors. Did I use that? Wait. I don't think that's sanitary though. Para akong nag... ano lang, crab. Like, bro. Para lang ako naghihiwa ng crab dito. I'm sorry if I have been you off this way kasi I have no other choice, bro. I'm gonna have to pause here, by the way. Kung sayang naman may mga konting meat na hindi ko makuha. Guys, I promise next time, if I'm gonna eat chicken breast, meron na akong... I promise meron na akong knife next time. So, please bear with me. Okay, I think that's all I can get from this chicken breast. Ang kaunti nga pala ng isang breast, no? Like, maybe I should have taken out the other one, pero ito na lang muna. At least for now. I'm just gonna put this in the trash. I will be right back. Okay, now let's start seasoning it. So we have like a dash of salt. Look, I know mukhang marami yung nilagay ko, pero promise konti lang yung lumalabas. Where's my pepper? Oh my god, this is gonna pop, bro. Dahil pala, binili ko na lang yung ano, like, yung ganto rin. Yung nasa bote. Kaysa yung mga nakapack. Para hindi na ako nag-ano. Or I could just like, put it sa bote. Konti lang. I'm not really into spicy foods. I'm so sorry. Ay, bobo! May bukas pa pala akong ano dito. May bukas pa pala akong paminta doon. I should just use that. Sorry, man. Now to give it a little massage, bro. kung kailan talaga andito ako eh, no? Saka lalapit dyan. Should I put liquid seasoning on this? Masarap ba yun pag nilagyan ko ng liquid seasoning? I think I should actually. Sweet savory taste. Like, should I? Should I? I'm not really sure. Pero well, like, you won't know if you don't try. Just konti lang. Parang hindi ata dapat. Okay na yan. Okay, now I'm gonna let you sit there for a while. And iinit ko lang din ulit saglit ng rice. Kasi I think lamamig na siya. Ah! Ay. Okay, so far, ayaw talaga niyang umakyat pa dito. Bro, that's like... Come on, man. Ganun na lang, oh. Konti na lang. I do not like those tricks to the upside. To the downside pala. Oh well. Let's see. And then we have our favorite crispy fry, bro. Ito talaga yung favorite ko since I was a kid. Question, does this defeat the purpose of seasoning? Like, does this eliminate the taste of seasoning? Or like, for breading lang talaga siya? I don't know. Okay, pinatay ko na yung kanin kasi baka mahulog. I am now just gonna put you on another container. medyo. I mean, sige. Okay guys, we are there. Pero wait lang. Can you wait for a while? Ah, putang ina mo. I did not expect it to be that. Okay, now give me like, wait nga! Give me like a break of structure or an inverse square value gap and I'm entering. Wait lang guys. Ito muna. Mas importante to. Good reaction on that M15 fair value gap. Let's see kung saan tayo makakapag-enter. Give me like a break of structure. If it holy shit, bro. Is it like gonna pop off? If it decides to just pop off from here, we still have two highs, pero ideally I would want price to like stop from here. Semantika. Holy shit. Is it gonna take out that high as well? If it takes out that high, okay. I'm just gonna... Now it's time to preheat my cooking oil. Tangina, mas natutuwa pa ako magluto kaysa mag-trivia. Hmm. Walang may inverse na fair value gap dito eh. Nasa 1 minute yung ano eh. Yung pwedeng ma-inverse. Pero like at the same time, if price reaches this high, might as well like take out this high, di ba? Let's see. If price manages to inverse this fair value gap, I'm gonna enter. That's not an inverse yet. Ang lapit kasi nito eh. Oh. Lapit na yan eh. Pero sure at the same time. Like, why not? Mhm. I entered. Bakit ng RR ko pero? Right. Ay, hindi pala. Okay. Ayan. So, ang entry point natin is 116,782. 116,782. Sakto ah. Take profit should be over here. No. I think that's a pretty long way down. Pero kasi sulit yung RR dito. Around 16. Edit natin yung TP natin. 16. Layo pala no? Okay. Okay, that is good. We were able... Okay, so ang entry... Basically, why I entered is because we were able to inverse this fair value gap after natin i-take out itong high na to. So, after we took out that high, we were able to inverse this fair value gap, which is equivalent to a break of structure. So, once we close below this fair value gap, I entered, and now we're just waiting for price action to develop. And now I can continue my cooking peacefully. Guys, it's time to put my favorite ingredient. Shit. Tama ba itong mga pinaggagawa ko? Sorry guys, it's my first time cooking chicken breast, so please bear with me. Sarap. I mean, yung amoy, I did not taste it. I make it something. Ay gago, nasa ko. I think pwede ko na siya ilagay. What? Ah, aray ko. Guys, I am so fucking hungry, bro. That looks so good. Samahan nyo na rin ako kumain. Sige. Okay. So far, looking good. We had a good reaction from this 1 minute fair value gap. Pretty cool. Maybe I could even extend it here. Pero, let's not be too greedy, guys. Let's not be too greedy. Hanggang dyan ka lang muna. We have fuck. Ang daming liquidity dito, honestly. So 1 minute. Naririnig nyo ba yung frying? Aray ko, gagi, ang init. I was trying to see kung may SMT divergence tayo. It honestly actually looks so good, bro. Cook ko pa siya ng konti. So hot. Nice, we made a lower low. Good. Now it's trying to take out all of these low resistance liquidity lagi. Ilan yung one? We have one, two, three, four. We have like four liquidities taken out. And there's more to the downside. I just hope it doesn't reverse yet. the matter, guys. Gago, ang liit niya. Ang liit pala niya. Ang konti nung nakuha ko. Dapat pala, dalawa. Weh? Seryoso? Dapat dalawang chicken breast yan. Okay guys, samahan nyo na lang ako kumain habang nanonood ng... Oh shit. Samahan nyo ako kumain habang nanonood tayo ng trade. Okay, lesson learned. Dapat dalawa yung chicken breast ko. But guys, that is... gago. That is so fucking good, bro. Are you guys seeing that shit? Wait. Tangin na, puro kanin kasi. It's so well cooked, bro. Kaso ang konti. But the taste, fucking goated, bro. May ketchup ba ako? No, wala akong ketchup. Now, to end this perfect day, let me win this trade. Sorry kung tumahimik ako kasi kumakakain ako eh. Initial take profit was hit. Kanina lang, baba ka pa konti. Honestly, I could just close it right here, pero I don't see signs of it slowing down, so just, I'm just gonna keep it open. One more. Nice. But di nag-notif. Ayun. Okay. Alright guys. We just made $318 from that trade. Tang ina, ba't ba hindi mo nakikita? Yan. What a good fucking day, bro. Win day. Win day, bro. Win day. Okay. Thank you for sticking with me for... Whew. I am full. That was such a good dinner I had. Such a good trade, and well, what a way to end the day, bro. So, ayun. Thank you guys kung pinanood nyo hanggang dulo. And I'll see you again tomorrow if we find anything tradable. Right? So, goodbye, good night, and see you all again.